From Waterfall Acrylics. How are you? I hope you enjoyed that surprise little montage at the beginning there. That wasn't my artwork. That was the lovely and fabulous and kind and generous and incredibly talented Fiona from Fiona's Art from Slovenia. If you don't follow her, I'm sure you do. I mean, who wouldn't follow her or subscribe to her? That's some of her amazing, amazing art. So please check her out if you're not familiar. She and I have finally gotten together after 2 months of trying to do a collab. She was so gracious to take me under her wing and let me do a collaboration with her. I have been watching her do fabulous little split cups and broke down and bought my own and said, I gotta try one, man. And she said, all right, let's do it. So we're using the split cup method. She was kind enough to let me pick the colors, and I can't say enough nice things about her, so please check her out. And this is a new adventure for me, so come along for the ride. Let me get you down. Okay, y'all, hope I don't screw this up so bad. So Fiona and I agreed on the colors she let me pick, because she's a doll, you know. And I have never done one of these. This cup was brand new last night, and then I thought I should use it once to make sure I know what I'm doing. And I tried this crazy experiment where I used the Shelly Art pouring medium recipe, and I made up 4 colors, and I put cell activator black and white in the 2 middle slots and did a pour. It did not work. The paint's too thick. Tried it a second time, made the paint thinner, and the cell activators didn't activate. It didn't work. So tonight I am just using nothing but GAC 800, 1:1 ratio. I have 3 ounces of paint, and I did use my scale, so 1.5 ounces of paint to 1.5 ounces of GAC 800 with trace amounts of water to get this consistency that I like. Right there. No silicone, nothing else. And I'm gonna make sure I got my order the way I want it. And I think I'm gonna switch. No, I don't want those 2 together. I'm gonna switch some around. And Fiona and I decided we would do the same colors, both on a 12 by 12, but artist choice for how they're put into the little split cup, and artist choice obviously for the design. So here goes nothing. So this is Amsterdam Aqua Green. Filling that guy up. Leave a little bit of room at the top, like that. There's one. And then next color is Amsterdam's Payne's Gray. Go ahead, get in there. 2. I did also find out when I was cleaning the split cup last night, it doesn't like hot water. Thank goodness I didn't put it in the dishwasher. But if your water's too hot, it'll bend the little slots on the inside. So when you go to clean them out, just use warm water. That was my other lesson learned. This is Naples yellow. There's 3. Next up, titanium white. Yeah, I'll put white in the middle. I debated. I made a little extra to put around the puddle too, to help things move. And then we have permanent green light. All kind of springy, earthy colors. They all kind of made me happy looking at them, so that's why I picked them. I'm like, oh, you're a happy color. There's that one. And then finally, Greenish-Blue, Amsterdam. One of my all-time favorite shades. Whoops. I'm trying to use up all my popsicle sticks so I don't have any more. And I do like to reuse them, so it's taken forever so I can use my my other sticks that I bought that clean really easy, the plastic ones, and not have to use these and throw them away. And there's the Greenish-Blue. Oh boy. And I'll hold this kind of still. Oops, low battery. Am I in frame? So look at you guys upside down. Yep. Like I want to switch to these guys right here. So, all right, let me hold on to this and just give this a go. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Make sure I got a good hold on this. I'll get it going first before I start moving around, I think. Or maybe hold it in place and spin it around. How's that? Feel fancy? All right, let's travel a little bit. Whoa, slow down, Karen. Slow down. Trying to get a nice little motion going, but I'm not used to doing this, so I'm having troubles. Oh, those lines are getting a little too big. Slow down. Let's come way over here, though. I'm gonna get the giggles. Okay, don't giggle, don't giggle. Just keep going in circles until you get dizzy. I just want to come over here. There we go, okay. Oh my God, it feels like the never-ending cup of paint. Okay. And now I'm just going to make little wiggles around. I kind of feel like I'm cake decorating. It is the never-ending cup. Like, oh my gosh, am I ever going to come run out of paint? Am I going to run out of paint anytime soon? It just keeps going and going and going and going and going. Oh my gosh, it's got to run out. Okay, it seems to be slowing down. Ooh, I'm awfully close to that edge too. Ooh, can I make it all the way? Yeah? Yay. Okay, well, we'll start again, I guess, because it's still going. Oh no, maybe we'll just stop here in the corner. That's what we'll do. It seems to be slowing down. Sorry if my hand is in the way. Oh my gosh, it's still going, y'all. Well, I'm gonna make it stop because this is ridiculous. Ran out of patience, and that's gonna come off the edge. Oh my goodness. So let me just spread a little bit of white just on these corners just to help these paints go. It looks like a big frond leaf to me. I do like my middle section, so that's good. I actually like my edges, which, you know, I didn't do on purpose. That's just all dumb luck. But a lot of that's probably going to get lost. Let's like me take my finger and go like this, because I don't need a ton of paint here, and I don't need any on that corner. Got that weird, I don't know what that is. That's going to come off. Let me throw some gloves on. Let's give this a torch, pop some bubbles. Because I see a bunch. Okay. I do like this very much. So I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do a combo of spinning and tilting. I'm gonna tilt first. I'm gonna grab a skewer for sure. And let's tilt first. Oh, it's stuck to my, because I put paint down on my tape. There we go. So let's take off Mr. Weird part there at the end where I got impatient. And then take it to the other, whoops, am I off camera? I'm sorry. Take it to the other end where that way I can hopefully bring things up and then go side to side and widen those frond leaf, the frond leaf. That's the general idea. So go that way. And then swing it all back and widen it this way. Off there and then bring it back. Oh man, that's cool looking. I can see why people get addicted to these things. They're fun. Oh my gosh, they're so much fun. Let me stare at it for a second. Put some paint on my corners. I'm a little bit sad that what happened here? Something ran. I'm a little bit sad that I used probably too much paint because, you know, I don't know what I'm doing. Are you a lump? You are. Don't mess up my design. What are you a lump of? Oh gosh. Let me grab my tweezers. Operate. Let's see if that spins off, because I'm going to spin these edges a little bit. These edges here to this edge. Let me see if I can fix this. Or I'll have to dork around with it later, because, you know, it'll bug me. I really like this just the way it is, honest to God. Just a little spin, because I don't have my tub, so I can't have paint flying everywhere. Just to stretch it out a little bit. Let me see. That's cool. Just a little more for the corners. And then I think I'm done. But I want to get off as much paint as possible. I've been having cracking issues if you've been watching my other videos, even with my humidifier, even with the art covered. It's just that time of year. I much prefer hot and humid than hot and dry air. All right, a little spin, a little more of a spin. And I want to take off paint here and here. That's what I'm going for. It's just kind of gentle. Well, that might have been too gentle. I don't even hear anything hitting my tarp. But I did get my, hold on, whoa, whoa, whoa. I did get my edges there. Oh, did I do it? Oh, I'm so close. And I'm so close to getting off that where that lump was. One last time, y'all. That was lumpy. Hold on. There we go. Oh, whoa, 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 splattering too much. Ta-da! I stop before I lose my design up at the top here. I'm definitely going to stop. I think I can take, let me turn it my way so you guys can see better, or at least on the side here. Right here, where I had to stick my tweezer in it, where the dark blue is. Right there, and fixed. And then probably take a spot of yellow, my Naples yellow, where that line was, and just kind of run it down the side here, like that, and fix that. I kind of love this. I can't wait to see Fiona's. Well, by the time this airs, we'll have seen it because she's going to premiere hers first. I kind of really like the delicate lacing going through here. I guess you call it lacing. Those lines are totally awesome. I totally want to do this again. I really do. Let me get you guys down for a close-up. Okay, a couple things I want to point out here. I'm really happy with this. I think it's totally beginner's luck. Really happy with my composition. I love the 3D effect I get through whatever that is there. And I wanted to show you, I don't know if it's going to convey, but where's my finger? Here's my finger. So here where it's the, just looks all blue in real life, you can see the Payne's gray melting into the blue-green. So in person, it really gives it that depth look. And then when it's contrasted with the Aqua Green, I can't seem to find my finger. Here, it looks really great. And I'm really happy with the whole overall composition. So yeah, ta-da! Let me flip around. I'm grinning like a fool. That was so much fun. I need more patience, like go, I totally ran out of patience toward the end there, but I'm really happy with the results. I hope it dries well. And thanks again to Fiona for doing a collaboration with me. I'll see you guys in a few days. Until then, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for the love and support and lovely comments. Keep them coming. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace out, y'all.